Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to download Unstoppable Crypto Wallet on your phone. First of all, make sure that you are connected to your internet. Then, find and open App Store or Play Store on your device. In the search bar, type in the name of the application and click on Search. Scroll down until you find this icon. Click on it and tap on Download button. You may need to verify using a Face ID, fingerprint or passcode if it is the first time downloading it. The download may take some time depending on your internet speed. After the download is completed, click on Open to use the application. You can also find the application on your home screen here. Simply tap on it to open the application and use it. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.